Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Excel security settings. And in this video, I will show you how to add password protection to your Microsoft Excel file without any stress. Let me show you how. So I'm going to use this particular Excel worksheet as an example. So next thing you want to do is to make sure that you are done with everything you want to do. So the very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File, and the next thing you want to do is to navigate to Info. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on Protect Workbook. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Encrypt with Password. And this is going to pop up. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter your password right here. So if you enter your password, go ahead and click on OK. Then retype in your password right here and make sure you hit OK. Now the file has been successfully locked. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and save the file. So for that, go ahead and click on Save As. And go ahead and browse your file destination, and then go ahead and make sure you choose your file destination. I'm going to save this into my desktop right here. Then I'll go ahead and save it in this folder. Then I'll go ahead and make sure you choose Excel workbook. Then go ahead and click on save right here and successfully save. By the time I go to the, just like so, by the time I minimize, or I better close this particular workbook right here, and I go ahead and click on close this particular tab right here and go ahead and look for the file with the password protected folder. So here's the folder right here. I'm going to click on the folder right here, and I'll open up the folder. So after you open up the folder, they have to look for the file. So this is Excel file password. I'll hit enter, and then it's going to ask me to enter password, just like what you see right here. So I can go ahead and enter the password and hit on OK, and the file will be opened again and hit on editable. So if anyone have access to this file and without your password, they will not be able to open the file. It's that simple. So this is how to simply password protect your Excel file without any stress. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you